Sa mundo ng Philippine basketball, bigatin ng apelyidong Dignadice. 9-time PBA champion at liyamadong defender ang amang si Ibes Dignadice. Pero nitong December, isang bagong kabanata ang isinulat, hindi sa Manila, kundi sa Bangkok. Sa edad na 17 taong gulang, hindi lang basta sumunod sa yapak ng tatay niya, si Sofia Dignadice. Gumawa siya ng sarili niyang pangalan. Ito ang kwento kung paano naging heart and soul ng Gilas Pilipinas Women ang isang high school senior mula California. Bago magsimula ang 33rd SEA Games, grabe ang pressure sa Gilas Women. Kailangan nilang bawiin ang ginto at si Sofia na senior pa lang sa Bishop Montgomery High ang pinakabata sa roster. Maraming nagduda, kaya ba ng isang teenager ang physical na laro sa Southeast Asia? Pero sa unang laro pa lang, sinagot na niya. Yung bilis niya, hirap tapatan, at yung basketball IQ niya, parang veteran na. Instant chemistry agad sila ng mga pambato nating sina Cassie De La Rosa. Ang pinaka-memorable na moment, yung laban sa Malaysia. Grabe, muntik na tayong madisgrasya at parang malalayo ang pangarap na gold. Pero doon nag-take over si Sofia. Hindi lang siya basta umiskor, siya ang naging konduktor ng team. No look pass dito, matinding depensa doon. Tinapos niya ang laro na may 11 puntos, 5 rebounds at 5 assists. Hindi lang ito basta panalo. Mensahe ito sa buong Asia. Ang point guard of the future ay nandito na. Pagpito ng final buzzer sa championship game, history was made. Eksaktong 4 na dekada matapos manalo ng SEA Games Gold, ang tatay niyang si Ibes, si Sofia naman ang tumayo sa podium, dala ang gintong medalya. Hindi lang ito passing of the torch, ito ay pagpapatunay na ang galing ng Pinoy basketball ay nasa dugo talaga. She's not just a legacy player, she is the new cornerstone ng ating national program. Ngayong may baon na siyang gold medal, babalik muna si Sofia sa US para tapusin ang kanyang senior year bago sumabak sa Division Winder College Basketball para sa Cal State Northridge. Pero para sa ating mga fans, malinaw na ang lahat. Safe na safe ang kinabukasan ng Gilas Women sa mga kamay niya. Ano ang paborito ninyong Sofia Dignadice moment? I-comment na yan sa ibaba para na din sa suporta natin sa Gilas Pilipinas Women's at ganoon na din sa ating channel na Big Time Plays. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe. Hanggang sa susunod na video mga ka-Big Time. Pero bago matapos ang video na ito, balikan natin ang mga tumatak na highlights ni Sofia Dignadice sa SEA Games.
Malaysia keeping Philippines at arm's length. Back-to-back threes from Aguilar. Dignadice to Pontejos. They go to De La Rosa. Too big, too strong. And Casey De La Rosa gets a much-needed basket for Gilas.
For Gilas Pilipinas, still unable to convert, however.
Nice tap from behind. Here comes Gilas, Ozar. Fearless to the hoop. And finally, 2 points for Gilas in quarter.
And that is something that cannot happen, especially when you have 3 Gilas Pilipinas players in that game. Should be an easy board.
Here's Bernardino. Pass yet to regain her rhythm here. Dignadice from distance.
Talking of Malaysia right now is making them extremely difficult to guard.
Ozar open. Makes the defense pay. Affield takes her time that time.
Good one-on-one defense there from Casey De La Rosa.
And the 2 youngsters connect. Dignadice to Hay. Extra pass. Magda didn't know.
She knew she could knock that down and took that shot with confidence.
biggest lead of the ball game for Malaysia. De La Rosa with a quick reply. Marking directions from the sidelines. Dignadisa with the save. The pass ahead. De La Rosa for two. Kabinbin dumps it off to De La Rosa.
Another missed opportunity for Gilas Filipinas securing the defensive board with Chak.
Das. Kabinbin gets the screen. Mateos rides it up. It's good. We credited the defense. They left a wide open shot, but off the stumble from Gilas as Bernardino left it at the front rim. Dignadisa continues her strong sea game.
To most players, that's not enough space to get a shot off, but for this Malaysia squad, just the slightest glimpse, and they're gonna knock that down.
De La Rosa.
Gilas Filipinas has to sprint back on the defensive end.
Ozar with the left hand.
The thing that Malaysia is really good at reading is the defensive lapses. They are recognizing when they have an open man.
Ozar, a timely De La Rosa right now. Dignadisa looking for Casey. Alley to De La Rosa. Dignadisa will settle down the troops as we hit the halfway mark of the fourth. Sophia. De La Rosa, it's good! Dignadisa gets another. Gilas has numbers, 4-on-1 pass. Dignadisa with a jumper.
Issue for Gilas Filipinas, but Casey De La Rosa getting a crucial board.
De La Rosa in traffic, short. Avril, finally!
Let's move that ball. We'll see if Malaysia will foul.
This Casey flips it up and in. Putting the finishing touches in what will be.
All credits to Coach Patrino and his staff. And the players suited up. And of course, the players excited to suit up in the upcoming editions of Southeast Asian Games and other competitions that we as Filipinas women will be competing in as well. Good triumph here for women's basketball in the Philippines. We turn it back to the venue to listen to Lupang Hinirang for the first time in basketball tonight.
Actually, coach, yung Big Time Plays, inano ko eh. Nag-comment ako dun sa kanya.
Big Time Plays, shoutout pala sa YouTube channel ng Big Time Plays. Thank you so much.
Amazing! Bawal malate! Bawal malate!
Bawal malate,
Mga eksena.
Pogi si ano, subscribe nyo sa Big Time Plays, oh? Oh, di ba? Pang Mr. Pogi yan dati yan.
Bro, talagang napakataas ng mga views na ngayon ni Big Time Plays. Kaya congratulations sa'yo, bro.
Si Big Time Plays, supportahan niya yan. Magaling din mag-video, tsaka kaibigan natin yan.
Yo, shoutout nga pala sa Big Time Plays ng Malabon.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!